Ayan na, papasok na din po tayo dito. As you said nga, just GR and yung blacklist ay mapupunta sa execration. Let's see if the defense setup na ginagawa dito ng Majes is really all that it's cracked up to be. Pero tingnan mo ba naman agad dito, Sneaky Pug, walang sniper galing sa side ng Majes. Gusto nila, rat. Kaso nga lang, yung Dracifer, yung consistent player, galing sa ng execration, nagpapakita na din ng gilas.
Yeah, they 100% expected that. Galing dito sa Mates, off the jump dito sa round number 1, an LA push from Frey at kay MZ. Lloyd down to 70 HP, so definitely still a guy that can make some impact dito sa round natin. Carlo all the way to 1. So makakapasok dito si Dracifer ng CA, which means an A-take is coming very, very soon. Pero kaya pang kunin ng execration without any hiccups, without any casualties. Si A7J nandito sa taas. And yan na nga, nagpapaulan na sila ng flash, nagpapaulan na sila ng nade. Dracifer, nakuha na nga si Lloyd dito sa backside. Dracifer clearing every single member ng matches dito sa A site, and he could potentially get much more. Spotted na si Rels dito sa BR. Tinapunan na ng nade. 38 seconds on the clock, but I don't think it's gonna end sa pagsabog ng C4. Dracifer though, stopped in his tracks. He's not gonna go for that ace no longer. And Rels, medyo mahirap yung clutch na to. 25 seconds. Exit at BR lang ang pwede mong daanan dito. At Ram, he has the idea. Jump peek. Gets the initial damage. Colt, hindi gagana para dito kay Rels. So, Matches, medyo expected yung ginawa niya dito sa first round. But execution, that's a good first one para sa kanila dito.
Basang-basa, pero ngayon, tingnan mo ba naman, Matches parang hindi nila uulitin. They still won't have any sniper setup. Joke lang, si Rels pala meron. So, okay, LA is Rels country. Tingnan natin kung makakahanap siya ng value gamit ng kanyang AWM. Ngayon, spread out mga miyembro dito ng execration. Maganda. Default lang daw. Tamang pitasan lang daw. This might be the plans that they have been thinking of nung inisip nila na laruin tong mapang to. Okay, smoke grenade, tinatapon na din dito, denying information dyan sa warehouse, and parang wala masyado ng iba sa laro ng execration ngayon. Kumpara mo sa dati, ay kung meron man, tingnan natin sa mga later rounds, baka dun nila ilalabas, no? As there is, akala ko mag-lurk na yung isang membro ng Matches dyan, pero mukhang hindi nila itutuloy. Okay, Loy, unang contact dito sa warehouse fight. Let's see if he'll be able to find one kasama ni MZ. Mukhang gustong pumasok dito ang mga miyembro ng execration. Ram,
I don't know about
gusto
taking
pa,
the solo,
pero
man.
A7J, sa ibang parte ng mapa, nakita mo, wala na si Dracifer.
That's an important pick-off. Dracifer has been the offense para sa side ng execration. MZ, the double peek dito sa LB, and the aggressive LB positioning dito na Matches made them win it, pare. Matches, yun nga, hindi na sila nag-push like they did in that last round, but their defense is still up and forward sa mukha dito na execration, and it worked out in their favor. So Dracifer having 4 kills so far dito sa game natin. Lloyd, nakuha na si Carlo. How did he hit that shot? MZ, nakita si Dracifer. Hindi na sila nagpapadaan ng mid, pero MZ spotted na agad. 30 down to 1 HP. Tinapos na ni Lloyd with that AK-47, and mid pa lang ang nakikita ng execration, pero tatlo na ang hulog para sa side nila. Kid from Hell, even he gets beat. And Ram, yun lang. Parang sinabi na Matches, just in case nakalimutan nyo, we play like this, by the way.
Yeah, oo. Parang galit na nga sila. Tingnan mo, tuloy-tuloy, nahanap na. Hinahunting na yung huling member ng execration, and Matches just galit ba? Nagpapakita ng kanilang galit dito sa kamay ng execration, and just like that, execration needing to give more or less respect dito sa kanilang pressure, but Matches, they will not relent. Walang tigil daw. Gusto nila isuppress ang mga pinaggagawa ng execration. Ayaw sila ipahinga. Ayaw sila pabigyan ng tsanse, ng butas dito. At sila na mismo ang tumutulak sa kanilang kalaban. And now, naiwan na lang si Kid from Hell in a very hellish situation. At least nakahanap siya ng isa, kaso nga lang, apat pa ang kanyang kailangan hanapin, at dyan na din, A7J winning it for the side of Matt Jess. And tingnan mo ba naman, mukhang gusto nila ituloy yung ginagawa nila ditong momentum.
Yeah, A7J really
Okay.
making it happen para sa kanyang team. And it's actually amazing to see na ganito yung nangyayari nga sa ating Matches side. And yeah, it is a 3-1 scoreline. Matches going a bit faster as well. Hindi nila basta-basta pinapamigay ang mid. Ayaw nila ibigay yung CA because that means LA would be an available option para sa execution. And the nades are gonna start to rain in. Loy, naghahanap ng headshot galing sa RS. You can actually see the slight vision kung saan nakatayo si 30 dito from Loy's position. So that's why he's going for that poke. Frey, Rels, nako po, pinagpasahan dito si Kid from Hell. The handoff between yung dalawang players. The damage was a bit too much for the young kid. A7J, nasa taas ng top 8, does get tagged pero kulang yung execution in terms of the numbers. Wala na sila pagdating sa entry side. So someone else has to do it.
Nagkukulang na sila dito. Ngayon, it's back to another slow play dito sa mid side and they are just trying to find for any timing. Rels, nagbabantay sa mid. Siya magdedepensa dito. Naghahanap ng tagos! Muntik na mahanap si 30! Tingnan mo ba naman? Piso na lang ang kanyang buhay. Nakakatakot naman to kung ikaw ang nasa side ng execration. Pero tuloy-tuloy lang din. Drayzipper, nag-parkour, wala nahanap. Nag-Spider-Man, pero hinigilan. 4-on-4 pa naman din ang sitwasyon na to and the time is starting to slow down here. Sneaky Frog at gusto nila pumunta sa warehouse. May nagbabantay ng isang membro dito ng Matt Jess. Okay, swap ng baril. And it's still a slow start. 30 seconds, wala pa silang nakuwang lupa dito, Sneaky. So if they go B, they need to commit to it right here, right now.
Yep, B is the target para sa execution. However, the lack of information, the lack of nades na meron sila dito, they're gonna have to send it dito sa B side with no nades whatsoever. At gugulatin nila si MZ. MZ getting some damage from the Godbox position. Carlo nakuha si Loy and the immediate plant galing sa execution. Halos lahat ng miyembro dito ng Matches. Low na pero A7J nakuha pa rin si Drayzipper and the wallbang from Ram getting si Frey pero winallbang din siya dito ni A7J in return. 2 versus 2 situation. Naka-sniper si 30. Nakatutok sa likod ng site sa may akyatan. Galing Godbox pero in-expect mo ba si A7J na magagaling dito sa likod?
1v1
Rels with the M4. Sakto yung palit niya. And another round for Matches para sa kanilang DR side. What a retake. Napakagulo. But still, Matches came out on top.
Tapos pagpunta nila diyan sa 1v1, kalmado lang yung si Rels. Mabilis, pero kalmado. Alam niya kung ano ang ginagawa nila dyan. Tsaka sa side naman ng execution, feeling ko, masyadong mabagal ang kanilang galawan dito. At tingnan mo, it really came down to the wire if they were going to plant that or not. So ngayon, execution, napakatindi ng kanilang ginagawa ditong depensa, no? It's so parang I can't describe it. It's just suppressive.
Yeah, it is. That's the Matches defense for you, brother. Kaya nakita na natin to dito sa sub-base, them being just as assertive sa mapa na to. And the LA push, 4-man LA push.
Okay.
Uy, hindi nila napansin po din na nakakross si A7J sa may ladder pero mapapabalik ang execution. Immediately denied entry dito sa LA, pare.
Yeah, tapos nga dyan dahil execution forced to rotate. Gusto niya pumunta dito sa mid-side. Uulitin ba nila ang A-hit? Mukhang uulitin nila. Kaso nga lang si A7J dito nagbabantay. Si Rels galing sa mid-side. Nakahanap siya ng isa. Di niya daw kailangan ng kanyang sniper para makahanap ng pitas. Granada, alam na ata ng MJ, ng Matches na nakapwesto ang execution dyan sa A-short. Kaya execution, once again, wala na naman silang nakuhang lupa dito sa mid-side. Si Frey, nakahanap na naman ng isa pong pitas dyan kay Ram. And nakakasakal yung feeling na to. Kung ikaw ang nasa side ng execution, Granada tinapon din kay Frey. Kaso the trade eventually comes in. Magaling, 30. And now, what is the play? Pababa ng pababa ang orasan natin dito. And B is the next site na gustong kunin ng Execration.
Ooh.
Kaso nga lang, tingnan mo ba naman yung rotation na ginagawa dito ng Matches? Alam na alam nila, and the firing squad is there for the side of Matches. It is a complete control for Matches. And ngayon, 5 na ang kanilang punto dito sa first half pa lang. Ooh.
And they know, okay, MZ, a little bit of a drive-by. I also do that from time to time para sa LB, and you do get the occasional headshot. So, you either die while crossing, or you miss all of your shots, or you just come out alive with something.
Majority of the times, I just die.
Yeah, that is true. You need to learn how to tap walk, pare. Tap walking is the key.
Too much skill. I'd rather do... Gusto ko lang, RNG lang. Gusto ko RNG lang. Saktong swerte lang. Alam mo, yan talaga yung gusto ko sa laro eh. So, yeah, alam mo yun.
90% luck, 10% skill.
90% luck, 10% skill. Yung parang opposite ng kanta na yun by Fort Minor. Yun yung opposite niyan. And, yeah, still... Yeah, lahat na mabagal na yung pace after such a chaotic rounds, no? And, well, A7J, mukhang gusto niya umagresibo dito, pero jump spot lang daw. Jump spot. Tapos, mag-back na daw. Okay. Smoke grenade. Actually, maganda tong smoke grenade na to. It does create a lot of information denial. At 1 minute, yeah. Suppressive,
parang
nakakasakal.
Parang water break yung dalawang teams na bago silang push. Okay guys, kalma muna tayo. Okay, alright. Now we throw the smoke. Okay, dito naman tayo mag-ano. Let's try.
Okay, tapo na.
LA without CA? I don't know about this one. Execration, kailangan may mag-CA sa inyo. 30 needs to hit the ninja. Oh, he misses it. Pero it's fine. Makakakyat pa naman siya.
Okay, trying to go for another time. 30, sige, talon mo na naman. Okay, there goes smoke grenade. Tinapon na, papunta dito sa A side. And 28 seconds. Mukhang A side na nga talaga ang gusto nilang puntahan dito. Smoke grenade tinatapon na. Punta dito and smoke and flashes raining down sa taas ni Rels. Dracifer do ang mahulog. A7J, yung IGL ng Matches. Ang makahanap ng tagumpay as Rels with the back up. Parang tore sa taas. Na walang pumasok, bawal ka pumasok kung ikaw ay isang parte ng Execration. Matches getting another lead, getting another round. Mas mataas na ang kailangan iakyat ng Execration para gumawa ng comeback dito sa mapang Port.
6-1 Matches so far dominating dito sa GR side natin, and that momentum can easily carry over dito sa second half. And Carlo, finally a good start para sa Execration, pero grabe naman, who the hell is speaking sa CA? And that is Loy. Of course it's Loy. Of course it's him peeking aggressively, pero Kid from Hell stops him in his tracks. So 1 for 2, wala nang sniper dito. Never mind. Rels nahulog na rin. Literal na wala nang sniper yung mapa natin on both sides. MZ at A7J na lang natitira dito. A7J, a known entity dito sa A side. B side gonna be occupied by MZ. So it's a one-man defense sa dalawang side ng mapa natin. Let's see what A7J can do. Pop flash, papunta ng LA, pero hindi mo na siya aakyat. Ladder, he has to defend the right side as well. A7J, nakuha na si Dracifer, pero bulag na bulag. What a backup! Galing kay MZ, he covers yung RS at pwede na siya makatakas dito. They somehow turn it into a 2v1. 3v1 actually.
Nakakasakit
I forgot
yan.
Loy was still alive.
Yeah, same. Nakakasakit. Napakasakit na ito. Kung natalo to ng Execration, it's just an absolute disaster for them right now. And now, it's still a 2v1. Actually, patay na nga talaga si Loy. Nag-glitch ng unti yung HP natin. And it doesn't matter kasi Matches, kunin nila ang 7th round dito sa first half. And it's now the last round here sa unang half natin, Sneaky Frog. And you just have to think, Execration, kailangan talaga nila to. They need it more than ever. And it's such a suppressive feeling itong Matches na to. And that suppressive feeling might just translate papunta sa second half natin. Ram, magandang simula. Kaso, trade, galing kay Loy. 4v4 situation. Very disgusting one-tap. Tingnan ba natin ang pwede niyang gawin? Okay, flash grenades natapon, pero it doesn't really make any mark. I think they wanted to fake a bit of A site, but I don't think it's working for the side of Execration. And now, again, pababa ang oras. Kulangan sila ng lupa.
Oh, Ninja!
Ninja, kaso hindi. Tinuloy ni 30. Wag daw muna mag-commit, sabi niya. And now they're slowing it down. It's
Uy, nakapasok na A.
waiting for it.
Pero alam ba nila, meron pa top A. There's one more dude there. Ay, Frey! Ayun
Oh my goodness. Tuloy-tuloy na din. Dracer at least nakahanap siya ng kanyang pitas. A consistent player para sa side ng Execration. Gusto daw niya tapusin itong half na to na at least makapaghanap sila ng isang panalo. Lloyd, though. This guy has also been a person to watch out for. Siguro naman ngayon, maka-close out na ng Execration. Location, spotted, and Kid from Hell cleans it out para sa side ng Execration. Buti na lang kasi yung half na to matatapos na to a 7-2 half.
Matches with a huge lead galing dito sa first half natin, but now is the chance para sa Execration na makabawi. It's gonna be a very difficult...
Very different indeed. So now, Matches nag-hold lang MZ. Papasok na din as there are. Papasok na mga member dito ng Matches. Kaso nga lang si 30 parang nagiging isang one-man army. Nagdedepensa dito. Loy, Granada, nahulog na ang anchor ng site pero buti na lang bumili siya ng ilang oras para makapasok dito. Dracer, hanap si A7J, Ram, and then tatluhan, isahan na lang para sa side ng Matches. And Execration finally finds a desperate round that they need, and they finally get a round that is absolutely important to them. Tapos ngayon, back to A defaults ang gagawin dito ng Matches. Di nila alam si 30 kasama nandyan, nagbabantay sa warehouse. Rels though nakahanap ng kanyang pitas gamit ng kanyang AWM. Nagsitapon na din ng Granada. At siguro naman ngayon, pabagal na ang aksyon. Yan na nga, pabagal na nga. And now, we just have to play the waiting game, no? Matches, gamit ng kanilang AWM, naghahanap ng isang pitas dito sa midside. Tapos parang ngayon, pwede mo kumparang tong laro na to sa isang parang laro ng chess. Kaya ba makabawi itong si Rels sa isa pang pitas? Or patuloy-tuloy lang ba sila makapaghanap? Kid from Hell, nagbabantay sa mid. And now, si Rels nakalusot. Paano? Si Loy is the one who finds the kill on Dracer. At di na namalayan na nandyan na pala si Rels with an AWM. Suddenly make it a 4v2 situation. Loy finding another one left and Ram 1v2. Red life na. Dito na sila. Tumalon, pababa. Matches, mapupunta na to into an 8-3 scoreline.
Yup. And Matches, so close, yet so far dito sa laruan natin. Of course, Execration, reality is nasa kanila yung advantage. Pero Matches, dahil nga sobrang close na sila sa map point, the pressure is on para sa mga miyembro ng Execration. Grabe, ang bilis nila makapasok ng CA at Z. That's two very key points sa pagkuha ng dalawang sites natin. B or Z in order to clear itong LB and CA for that additional help sa mga LA players. Lloyd, nakuha na nga si Kid from Hell 30. One in return, attempting to take itong mid pero distraction lang pala. It was an LA play this entire time. May kita pa nila na magkakross na dito si Frey. May kita na si 30 sa taas pero nasa na ba ang ibang miyembro ng Matches in order to support it? It's a 3v3. It's an equal situation. C4 nakababa sa ladder so wala nang choice yung Matches dito kundi mag-push ng A site. Flash is gonna go through. Mabubulag ba? Mamamatay ba? Mattes still stuck on the outside ng bottom A. Rels going for the push. Nakuha na si 30. Nahulog dito si Ram, spotting out 2 players. May bababa pa ng CA pero hindi na pinababa ng Mattes. And it's a map point for the MJ squad, pare.
Oh my goodness. And I'm sorry, pero mukhang ito na yung simula ng katapusan ng execution. And it just needs the proper execution for the side of Madjes para tapusin lang to. Isa na lang ang kailangan, pero buti lang si Carlo. Sinasabi niya, ayoko muna matalo, babawi ako dito, and execution with a desperate need for control dito sa mapang to. At least si Carlo nabubuhay pa din, finding a breath of fresh air for the side of execution. Ngayon, default, slowing it down. Yung unting kaba galing side ng execution. Nagbe-build na. Kala ko makapaghanap pa to si Loy ng isa pang pitas dyan sa mid-side. Mukhang yun na yun. Kaso nga lang, nag-backing na lang. Hindi na tinuloy. Hit from hell sa ilalim. Flashbang. Hawak niya. Loy, tumakas. Smoke grenade sinapan na din as B-side. Mukhang is open for the side of Madjes. Nag-isa lang naman nagbabantay dito si 30. Who's always been the solar anchor dito sa site na to, pero so far hindi siya makahanap ng tamang pwestuhan para tigilin ang buhos na ginagawa ng Madjes. At ito na siya, the flashbang, the utility tinapon na Ram trying to help out, kaso nga lang nadamay, nadali. Okay, hit from hell, hanap ng isa. A7J, nandyan pa din. It is planted for house. Pwede na sila maglaro ng tamang post-plant Dre Zipper, the X-Factor for execution right now. Binuhay sila at hindi pa sila matatanggal, hindi pa sila matatalo. Execution, nakakapit pa dito sa laro na to.
Yep, 9-4 matches. So close na matapos na yung laro na to, pero execution di pa rin pumapayag. A 2v1, 2 low players, very tense situation, pero na-pull off pa rin dito ng Exe. Tracifer nakuha si Loy, but that's only one of the 2 aggressive members na nagpupush dito. Napakabilis ni MZ, and lilipat na sila dito sa A, fully knowing they do not know where MZ is. MZ in the backlines. Spy mode, nagtakang Xpia, etong si MZ. Almost getting si Carlo. Carlo with the turnaround. Pero is it B? Is it A? Hindi na alam dito ng matches.
Oo nga, I think they do want to go A here. Nagko-commit na din. Frey, A7J, naghahanap ng ilang member ng nagbabantay dito sa A site. And I think there's a little bit of hesitation para pumasok dito. And execution might take advantage of the mistake. Pwede nila parusahan ang mga member dito ng matches. A7J nagbabantay, si 30 nandyan sa taas. A7J, wala sa kanya yung C4. Kailangan niyang bagalan at hanap ng tamang pwestuhan. Pitas. Isang tao sa taas. Granada tinapon. I think he wants to make them think na nakatambay siya sa LA habang paikot na siya dito sa midside. 30. Pwede siya madali. Pwede siyang malason. Nakita na siya. Shot. Yung lokasyon niya, alam na ng execution.
Scary pa rin si A7J dito in this 1v2. He's been capable of clutching for the past few rounds, pero iba yung gagawin dito ng execution. They're actually gonna go all the way around papuntang midside. However, this is gonna allow a timing para kay A7J na makapasok dito sa top A. Hindi niya pa pinipick up yung C4 in fear na maririnig ang pagkuha nun. Pero A7J, nakababa na ng ladder. This is actually a good angle para kumuha ng 1v2. Ram,
wait a second.
Kita na sa exit. A7J, low HP, pero si Ram na mismo tumapos. Good headshot galing kay Ram. Execration, slowly but surely, crawling back dito sa game natin.
Recovery lang daw. Saktong recovery lang. At yan ang kinukuha ng team of execution. Sige, 5, 4 na lang. Round by round. Makakabawi, piece by piece, 1 by 1. Yan ang gusto kong makita galing sa side ng execution. 4 na lang ang kailangan nila para mabigay ito sa OT. So parang habang sinasabi ko yun, no, parang napakalayo ng kailangan nilang kunin. And parang ang dami nilang kailangan gawin para puntahan yung, alam mo yun, yung position na yan. Yung matches, isa na lang ang kailangan nila.
Matches only need one. And that's all they need to get. Pressure is on dito sa Execration para kumuha ng 4 na puntos para mapunta tayo sa overtime matches. Inches away from the finish line. Still, very slow play, surprisingly. Galing dito kay Matches, not immediately entering yung mga spots ng mapa na kailangan i-control, kagaya ng LB, kagaya ng LA, pero ngayon, slowly crawling on in. 30, magpapa-information dito lang sa House B. AK on this side though is something I wouldn't recommend para kay 30, but he's more focused. Laser din sa mga pumasok na ng site instead of the players inside of HB. One player playing Godbox, pero ito na nga yung flash pupunta B-side. Sa spot ba nila si 30 na nakatago yung ulo. MZ getting the kill kay 30, but can they get the kill kay Ram? Hindi nila chinek yung backside. Dracifer lumabas na rin. Rels with a good shot kay Ram. MZ with a good shot kay Dracifer. It was supposed to be a good defense para sa Execration, pero hindi nila nahanap ang player na nasa loob ng HP na si Rels on that sniper. Has done it again. Kid from Hell is down. Si Carlo na lang natitira on that pistol, on that deagle, and inahabol na siya ng Matches dito. MZ looking for the kill. Nasa kanya yung C4, but I don't think they care about planting anymore as they get the kill dito kay Carlo. And Matches, another dominant 2-0 dito sa ating group stage.
Yan ang isang team na nagpapakita ng kanilang lakas, and they are, tingnan mo ba naman, ice cold naman sila ngayon. Ilan sa kanila, they just business as usual. Matches showing their powers right now in Execration. Another heartbreaking